saying a 10,000 for 17,000. I maintain flight level 220 on 3412.
Center Redwood 885 at 15.5 for 17,000. Climb 380 Redwood 885. We'll let you know Redwood 885.
13,000, pilot discretion 3023 on Void 3412. We'll follow right on Void 3412 is leaving 220 for 13,000.
Center Delta 844 is out of 10.5 for 17,000. Delta 844 out of 10.7 for flight level 240.
1272 switching, good day on Void 3412.
2077 Redwood 885.
Who was that last one for? 12452 Delta 844.
Center American 546, 10,800 now for 17,000. Oh yeah, 360 American 546. I'd like to start us out if we give it a 32, a little heavy today for American 546. 2 American 546. Thank you.
Fort Worth, we need 11600 over. Fort Worth, we need 11600. We need 11600 number 5 east of Millville. But Fort Worth, for 3.5.
1278 for 69 November. 25-8, thank you. Greg Sooney, American 546.
Fort Worth Center, Cherokee 15533 is with you at 6,600. 3017, good evening.
Fort Worth Center, American 2211 with you, pass 11.8 for 17. Run maintain 280 direct Drake, American 2211. Fort Worth, American 1183, pass 10.3 for 17. 340, American 1183. Yeah, we'll take that for 1183. Direct Wilson Creek, American 1183. Thanks a lot. 2077, good day, American 546. Fort Worth, American 2211. I was just wondering if you got any ride reports at 28. 2211. Union Fort Worth, Gulfstream 280, taking up to 10,000, direct Milton. 3020 on the meter, direct to Cook Canyon Ranch, Gulfstream 0, taking up. I will take the visual to runway 35, Gulfstream 0, taking up. We do have the local weather and NOTAM, and we'll let you know when we get to the airport in sight, Gulfstream 0, taking up. Discretion 4,000, Gulfstream 0, taking up. American 2495, climb out of 11 for 17,000. Direct to Albuquerque, climb to 340, American 2495. 2715, have a going, Gulfstream 0, taking up.
Center Envoy 3042, 9,000 for 17,000. Direct to Abilene and 220 Envoy 3042. Did you say 80 miles away? Okay, Roger, we'll let you know.
2077 American 1211. Yeah, that weather at, will that be alright for that weather at Abilene, direct Parker? Yeah, it'd be great. Thanks a bunch. Direct Parker, American 2495.
Cherokee 15533, contact Fort Worth Center 133.5, good night.
Fort Worth, American 2292, 10,000, climb 17,000. Climb maintain flight level 300, American 2292. Clear direct, Papa Gulf Sierra, American 2292. Fort Worth Center, Phenomena 00, Hotel Tango, 1313,000, climbing 17,000, good evening. Climb level 400, Phenomena to Hotel Tango. Direct Corona, Phenomena to Hotel Tango.
House discretion at 13,000, 3025 on way 3042.
3475, American 1183,
Forward 256 Tango Tango 13.7, climbing 17,000. Up to 380, direct to Midland 16.
Honestly, we don't even really see anything out there yet. I know that there's tops because we can see the kind of the glow of the city through them, but no, I don't really have anything for you yet. 127.2, Convoy 3042, good night.
2077 American 2495 long. Delta Tango, sure, we'll take it. Direct Lima 35, Phenomena in the Hotel Tango, thank you.
Center Phenom 900 Hotel Tango. We'd like to request runway level 450 for table tonight. Level 450 Phenom 900 Hotel Tango.
Fort Worth 6 Tango Tango, I'd like to request 340. And a 340 6 Tango Tango.
120.77 American 2292.
Fort Worth Southwest 382, 12-3 for 17,000. Climb maintain flight level 360, South 382. Any ride reports in the climb? Alright, thanks. And center from Southwest 382. If you think like maybe 24 would be better, we'd like to put that on request for the final.
Go ahead for 6 Tango Tango. I'd say it's pretty good to about 35,000.
Okay, we'll just give it a shot then up to like at least 34, then we'll call you back if we think we need something else. Alright, 340 Southwest 382, thanks.
Well, Center Southwest 502, passing 16 for 17,000. Flight level 400, Southwest 502.
And American 2400, we're out of 10.8 for 17,000. 320 American 25.
4 Center Plot 27 Echo Tango, 8.7 for 10,000, direct jacket. 27 Echo Tango, we're 9.2 for 10,000, direct jacket. Okay, direct Odessa and 13,000, 27 Echo Tango.
Oscar November Mike, clear direct, American 24.
3207 6 Tango Tango, good night.
180. Yeah, 180 for
2077 Phenom 900 Hotel Tango tonight.
Southwest 3211 at 15,000, climbing 17,000. For level 360, so 3211.